What's cooking good looking? It is Thursday, November 21st, 17:06. Got some mac and cheese. So actually it's buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Pretty fire. I have hard parts. Wheel bearing hub and accessories. And for the Mustang Folk, boss is still torn apart. We have everything's still apart, like I just said, but the car parts that are on order that he ordered, I think 2 months ago. They said it would take about 6 to 8 weeks, I think, and we approached that time. My roommate called the people that he ordered the parts from. He's like, hey, is there any updates? And they're like, yeah, there are. And then he ended up talking to Ford, and they're not going to come in until like mid-February. So just got to wait another 2 months. No, like almost 2.5, because we're midway through November. Actually like 3. I'm really bad at my months. But basically, this car is going to be on jack stands for another couple months. And then for my car tonight, or for the rest of the day, I'm just going to be taking off the wheel. Last night I pulled off the axle nut and the washer, and then I was like, actually, let me record this because I was forgetting about it. And then just the stuff coming off tonight, it's going to be brake, caliper, and then those 2 things will be easy to pull off. Get the hub in assembly, 4 bolts on and off. Should be, knock on wood, an easy adventure. And then from there we'll throw it back on. Should drive my car hopefully tonight just to double check everything's fine. And then potentially this weekend I might go snowboarding, so that'd be pretty sick. But for the little baby steps now, Dr. Pepper, bacon mac and cheese, or dude, bacon in this would go crazy. Buffalo chicken dip, mac and cheese, and some car parts. All right, we got our 4 bolts out. So I'm gonna just tap this piece off here, and we got the replacement in here. Nice, super expensive, $430 or $40 OEM parts. We love that, but gonna toss it on and maybe take it for a test rip tonight. Make sure it all works. Hell yeah, brother. Alright, got the whole wheel on, assembly, everything's tightened down. Okay, now I gotta drive it real quick, down the street, around the block, whatever it may be, and hopefully everything sounds okay and a lot quieter.